When I was 21, I started my first business, and I had several businesses after that. And then nearly 2 decades ago, I started this financial firm. The reason I'm telling you this is because I wish that I had somebody back then that could have advised me as to what to do and how to do it. In fact, my son, he was, I think, 18 when we started to really gear him up and start to really muscle up his Roth IRA. And now it's looking really good in a few short years. So somebody else was there to help guide you. It's never too late. It's never too late to get the guidance. I know when I teach oftentimes internally at federal agencies, I know you're thinking sometimes, it's too late for me, Charles. It's too late. It's never too late. You can start right now. I tell people, go ahead and open up a Roth IRA privately. You don't even have to put money in it. Just get that clock spinning. Go ahead and put $10, even if you say you don't have any money, put $10 a pay period and fund your Roth TSP, your Roth 401k, or a private Roth for your spouse or anyone who's listening. It does work, but there's so many other things that you can do. When we were a young newlywed couple, well, we felt like newlyweds, but we already had both the boys. We saw a financial advisor. He didn't get it. And we wasted extra money setting up a 401k that I didn't need at the time. What I needed was a SEP IRA, but he didn't know any better. And now, all these years later, all this knowledge and all this power from our entire team here at CD Financial, plug into it, tap into it, use it to your benefit, to your advantage. And then we're all successful together. It's not just us. It obviously has to be you, because you won't be satisfied in 2 or 3 years. But if we all win together in 10, 20, 30 years from now, man, oh man, are things going to look rosy for everyone. And that's what we want. Remember, you don't have to work longer. You just need a better plan. Oh, don't forget to click and subscribe, and you can always text us if you want to talk to us for 15 minutes. Talk to you soon, folks. Bye-bye now.